Hello and welcome. I want to talk to you today about something that affects all of us, doubt. It's a sneaky thing, isn't it? It shows up just when we are about to make progress, about to step into something greater, something we've always wanted. And just when we think we've got it, doubt creeps in, convincing us to hesitate, to second-guess ourselves. But here's the thing, you don't need to doubt. You don't need to hold yourself back. Everything you truly want is within your reach. You have everything it takes to achieve it. You may be thinking, but how can I be sure? What if I'm not good enough? What if it doesn't work? These are the questions we all ask ourselves, and it's normal. It's easy to get caught up in the what-ifs. But here's the truth, the moment you stop doubting yourself is the moment you start moving toward what you want. You already possess the power within you to create the life you desire. The only thing holding you back is your own belief, or lack of it, in yourself. Every time you doubt, you stop yourself from taking the next step. You stop yourself from acting on your desires. You stop yourself from creating the reality you want. The moment you let go of doubt and trust yourself, things start to shift. The law of attraction, the law of assumption, they're not just abstract ideas. They're powerful tools that you can use right now to manifest your desires. It's all about what you believe and what you choose to accept as your reality. The world around you is a reflection of your inner world. If you continue to doubt, you'll see more reasons to doubt in your life. If you tell yourself that you're not good enough, then your reality will match that. It will confirm your belief. But when you start to believe in your own potential, when you start to trust that the things you desire are already on their way, you will see those desires begin to unfold before you. It's not about waiting for the perfect moment or the perfect conditions. It's about trusting yourself enough to take action, even when things aren't perfect. Perfection doesn't exist. It's an illusion. The only thing that matters is your willingness to move forward despite the uncertainty. That's where the magic happens. You have to be willing to take the first step, even when you're unsure of the outcome. Trust that the universe will meet you halfway. Trust that when you take action, the path will begin to reveal itself to you. So, what is it that you truly want? What is it that's been on your mind, that dream, that desire? It might feel impossible right now, but I assure you, it's not. You can have it. All you need to do is stop doubting and take action. Step into that version of yourself who already has what you want. Step into that version of yourself who is confident, who trusts in their abilities, and who knows that success is already on the way. The moment you make that shift within yourself, the outer world will begin to reflect it back to you. You are the creator of your life. You have the power to shape your reality. Your thoughts, your beliefs, and your actions are what create the world around you. If you want to change your life, you have to start with changing your mindset. Begin by believing in yourself, even if it feels hard. Start by accepting that you are worthy of the life you desire. Your self-worth is not dependent on anyone else's approval. It's not based on what others think or what the world tells you is possible. Your worth is intrinsic, and it's time you start recognizing that. Think about the most successful people in the world. Do they doubt themselves constantly? Do they hesitate when an opportunity comes their way? No. They trust themselves. They trust that they have what it takes to make their dreams come true. They believe in their own abilities, even when the road is tough, even when others don't see their vision. And because they believe, they take action. And because they take action, they achieve what they desire. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't is not a matter of luck. It's a matter of belief and persistence. It's about pushing through the fear and the doubt and taking that next step, even when it feels uncertain. If you want to achieve something, you must believe it is possible for you. You must see yourself as capable of achieving it, no matter how big or small the goal may be. Stop waiting for the perfect moment to take action. There will never be a perfect moment. There will never be a time when everything aligns perfectly. Life is about taking risks, facing challenges, and moving forward despite the obstacles. When you take that step, you'll begin to see things shift. The opportunities you've been waiting for will start to appear. You'll begin to see yourself in a new light, and the world will reflect that change back to you. There's a powerful truth that you must think about: your current circumstances are not a reflection of your worth or your potential. They are simply a reflection of your past thoughts, beliefs, and actions. But that doesn't mean you're stuck. It doesn't mean you can't change. The moment you decide to change your thoughts, your beliefs, and your actions, your reality will begin to shift. Your future is not determined by your past. Your future is created by what you choose to believe today. It's time to let go of self-doubt and start believing in your own potential. Start seeing yourself as the person who has what you want. Step into that version of yourself. Visualize it. Feel it. See yourself already living the life you desire. And when you do that, you'll begin to align with the frequency of your desires. You'll begin to attract the things you want into your life because you are now in harmony with them. The power of your mind is limitless. The power of your belief is immeasurable. Don't let doubt hold you back. Don't let fear stop you from going after what you want. You are capable of achieving greatness. You are capable of creating the life you desire. But it all starts with your belief in yourself. Every time you catch yourself doubting, remind yourself that you are worthy. Remind yourself that you are capable. Remind yourself that your dreams are not just dreams, they are your future. And when you believe that, when you truly believe that your dreams are already on their way, you'll see how quickly things begin to shift in your favor. The universe is waiting for you to make a move. It's waiting for you to step into the power that you already have within you. It's waiting for you to stop doubting and start believing. The moment you make that decision, everything changes. Your thoughts change. Your actions change. And your reality changes. So, what's holding you back? What is it that you want? Whatever it is, believe that it is already yours. See yourself as the person who has it, who is living it, who is experiencing it. When you do that, you'll start to notice that everything around you begins to align with that vision. Don't let doubt keep you from your dreams. Don't let fear stop you from going after what you truly want. You have everything you need within you to create the life you desire. The only thing standing in your way is your own belief, or lack of belief, in yourself. So, stop doubting, and go after what you want. Your dreams are waiting for you. The only thing you need to do is take that first step with full belief that it is already yours. When you start to believe in yourself, you begin to see opportunities in every situation. No longer do you approach challenges with fear, but with a sense of excitement and confidence. It's no longer about whether you can do it, it's about how. The doubt you once had starts to fade, replaced by a clear vision of what's possible for you. The more you trust in your abilities, the more you'll be able to recognize the paths that lead you to your desires. But it's not just about believing in yourself in a general sense. It's about specifically visualizing what you want and seeing it as already being yours. In every moment, ask yourself, how would I feel if I had already achieved my goal? Tap into that feeling as if it's already a part of your present reality. When you do this, you begin to vibrate at the frequency of your desires. You align yourself with what you want to attract, and you'll start noticing how things begin to fall into place. One of the most powerful shifts you can make is to start living as though your dream is already here. Don't wait for external signs. Don't wait for the right time. The time is now. The key is to recognize that the change you seek begins with your internal state. It begins with your belief and your action in the face of uncertainty. Every time you take a step forward, no matter how small, that is a victory. Every time you push through doubt and fear, you get closer to making your dream a reality. If you found this message helpful, I encourage you to give this video a thumbs up. It's a small gesture, but it helps to spread this message to others who may need it. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel. You'll receive more insights, more motivation, and more encouragement to keep moving toward your goals.